If you bought travel protection for your trip and something went wrong, filing a claim is quick and easy with Generali Global Assistance eClaims. Let's take a look at how to get started. There are 5 steps to begin your eClaim. First, you will want to find your plan or reservation number. You can find your plan number in the plan confirmation email that you received when you purchased your plan. If you purchased your plan through a vacation rental provider, you will use the reservation number that you received when you booked your stay. Once you have the number that you need, visit generalitravel.com/claims and either enter your plan number in the space provided or select the Click Here link if you have a reservation number. After entering your plan number or selecting the Click Here link, you should be taken to the Generali Global Assistance eClaims website. Once you're here, simply follow the prompts to create your eClaims account, log into the portal, and start your claim. After logging in, enter your plan number or your reservation number to proceed. Notice that you can interact with the chatbot in the lower right side of the screen, or visit the FAQ page through the menu on the top right if you have any questions. Now that you're ready to get your claim started, we'll need a little information about why you're filing a claim. You will see a list of the different coverages that are included in your plan and a short description of what they are for. Review the list and select the coverage that applies to your situation. Let's say, for example, your trip was interrupted because your flight was canceled due to a storm. Select Trip Interruption and continue. As you move through the prompts, you will be asked questions for the coverage you selected, such as who was impacted and why, what happened, and the amounts that you are claiming. Continue through each section, acknowledging the fraud warnings and reviewing your information for accuracy. The last task to complete before submitting your claim is to provide supporting documents. You will see a list of both required and optional documents to include with your claim. Most of these documents, such as proof of payment for your trip and booking confirmation, are documents that you already have. After uploading all your documents, you'll be prompted to review legal agreements. Once you agree, simply click Submit to file your claim. Your claim is auto-saved as you go, and if you don't submit it right away, you'll receive a draft confirmation email so you can pick up where you left off anytime. Perfect if you're waiting on documents. Good work! You submitted your claim. We will assign your case to a dedicated claims team member who will review all of your documents and reach out if they have any questions. At any time, you may also log into the claims portal and track the status of an existing claim.